Great. Now, what if I tell you that let's say you were to make $1 million within the crypto, right, in the coming times? Now, that $1 million with this one action could have been turned into $2 million. Like whatever amount that you would be making in the future, you can just double it by this one simple action. And what is that simple action? I'm going to prove to you that this is the truth. That action is you sign up via a link where people have literally given their own discount, like their own commission percentage to you. Like this particular link down below in the video description, we are giving away 10% of the commission, like 10% of the entire trading fee, that every time you buy and sell crypto onto the Binance exchange, you will be given wave off of 10%. We are giving it from our side. The referrals have this particular option. Now, how do you double this money? How this particular action doubles your money? Basically, if let's say you have $1,000 and you keep on trading, buy, sell throughout the year, right? Either you do leverage trading, futures trading, normal spot buying and selling. Over a period of a year, you happen to pay more than $10,000 in fees, right? You can do the math, you can do the calculation, you will find out the same. When you're doing more than paying more than $10,000 of fees, right? The 10% of $10,000 is $1,000. That means your initial $1,000, you can save additional $1,000, that becomes $2,000. Let's say you were to do 1000x in the crypto in the coming times, you were to make $1 million, you would be left with $2 million. Similarly, let's say you had $10,000. Throughout the year, you would be trading and giving the fees of $100,000. If you get 10% discount throughout the year, you would be saving another $10,000, doubling your money. And this is a simple math. You can do it yourself. Try to calculate in your mind. Try to see the fees on any exchange. And obviously, Binance is the biggest and the safest exchange. That is the reason we are referral partners to it. And we are going to give it to you. All you have to do is just click on the link down below in the video description. Sign up to Binance Exchange, and the proof that you are given this particular 10% discount, when you click on the link down below, you will be taken to this particular page. Now let me just try to show you the proof of 10% discount that we have set up, right? So as you can see, I just click sign up for the entity account, but let's say this is not entity account, this is just a personal account. I click on sign up for the personal account. Now it will show to me that this is the referral ID, right? This is the referral ID which has invited me, but at the same time, you see your commission kickback rate is 10%. So Binance even mentions at the sign up that this person, this referral, is giving you his own share of money and giving the 10% of the entire fees. Like this is the, you are invited to Binance. So basically, the Binance charges the fees, referral gets a little bit of commission, and out of that commission, what is your incentive to sign up directly to Binance? Definitely nothing, right? Because when you're getting 10% discount, or what is your incentive to sign up via other referral links? They literally are offering nothing, right? They are keeping the entire amounts to themselves, unless until somebody is offering that 10%, 20% is known to you, giving enough value, then you go and sign up via their link. So anybody who is giving you, I mean, literally, this is the money back that you're getting. And I've showed you throughout the year, you'll be doing so much of the trading, you will be paying far more, 10 times the amount that you are having by just buying and selling trading fees that you're giving. So why not just get double your money? Why not just get 10% back every time that you are giving, I mean, that you are paying? You get 10% discount just by signing up this particular link. So make sure you click the link down below in the video description. While sign up, you'll see this particular 10% commission kickback rate. Create your account, KYC, and then just you can do the futures trading, you can do the leverage trading, you can do the spot buy and sell for the rest of your life. Whether you make $1 million, $10 million, or whatever, rest of your life you will be having this 10% off. What is the motivation to not, year after year, you would be actually, like, if you are here in the crypto big enough, long enough, millions of dollars you will be leaving on the table. So there is no incentive not to use the link which is actually giving their share of the commission. So we are literally sharing almost all of our commission to you guys. I hope that you would utilize this opportunity, and the link is there. And this is the reason this particular video is made, and this is the proof that the Binance themselves are showing 10%. So make sure you are even able to see this 10% while signing up. This is the proof that the person who's saying they're giving the discount is actually giving the discount. So I hope that you found the video helpful. I hope that you sign up via this link, whether you're signing up for the first time onto the Binance, or probably you find out a way to sign up to the Binance via this link. You get the 10% discount, and literally this is going to save you a lot of money in the future. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Subscribe to our channel. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances to the hill. Thanks a lot, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.